Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something special, an unboxing and review of the Axor Apex Hex 2 helmet in this eye-catching blue-red colorway. I got this helmet for 4395 rupees, down from its retail price of 4995 rupees. Let's start by unboxing it. Inside the box you get the helmet nicely wrapped in a branded Axor drawstring bag for protection. And here it is, the Axor Apex Hex 2 in all its glory. Let's take a closer look at the design features and safety aspects of this beauty. First up, let's talk about the design. The blue-red Hex 2 color scheme absolutely pops. The dual-tone glossy finish with sharp graphic accents give it a premium and sporty looks that's bound to turn heads on the road. Now, the shell is made from a lightweight yet durable thermoplastic material. It's engineered to provide excellent impact resistance without compromising comfort. The aerodynamic design includes a built-in spoiler that improves stability at high speeds, ensuring a smoother ride even on highways. This helmet weighs in around 1600 grams, striking a great balance between sturdiness and lightweight comfort. Let's talk about comfort and fit. Axor has done a fantastic job with the comfort features. The Apex Hex 2 comes with high-quality removable and washable interior padding. The lining is moisture-wicking, so you'll stay dry and cool even on long rides. Now I picked up the medium size, but here's a tip. The helmet runs slightly snug, so if you're on the borderline between sizes or prefer a more relaxed fit, I'd recommend going for a large size. It's better to prioritize comfort, especially for long rides. And don't worry about ventilation. This helmet has multiple vents at the top, front and rear for excellent airflow. Now let's talk safety. The Axor Apex Hex 2 is homologated with ECE R-22.06 for Europe and DOT FMVSS number 218 for the US. It's also ISI certified, meeting all Indian safety standards. The helmet undergoes rigorous testing for energy attenuation, penetration resistance, surface projections, rigidity tests, tensile tests. What's more, all these tests are carried out under 4 different conditions: hot, cold, submerged and ambient. So no matter where or how you ride, this helmet is built to keep you safe and reliable. So, who is this helmet for? Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or a sport bike enthusiast, the Axor Apex Hex 2 is a great choice. At its retail price of 4995 rupees, it already offers solid value. But if you can grab it at a discounted price like I did, at 4395 rupees, it's an absolute steal. With features like the aerodynamic spoiler for high-speed stability, excellent ventilation, and safety certifications, it's hard to go wrong with this helmet. Remember, when it comes to size, I'd recommend going for the large size, unless you have a very narrow head shape. Stylish, comfortable and safe, this helmet ticks all the right boxes. That's it for today's unboxing and review of the Axor Apex Hex 2 helmet in blue-red. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Ride safe and I'll catch you in the next video.